Okay, we got our head here that's all carved out and done. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to seal it. We got the back of the head here. We have the mouth and the head. So what we're going to do is seal all these holes up, and then we're going to coat the entire head with that. We're going to use wood filler. First thing you do is take a damp cloth and you want to wipe everything off to make sure you get all the dust off of it. But by sealing it, that's going to help to fill in all the little scratch marks you might have from your carving. And this will just help to smooth it down a little more. So we got that wiped down, the mouth's wiped down. Back of the head here. So we'll take some wood filler here. And we want to make it a little pasty so it'll spread easier. So what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of water to it. This will just help it smooth out a little easier when you're putting it on the head to seal it. But we'll put it all over the head, let it set up for a day or two and dry real good. Then we'll sand it all down. Probably have to touch up a few spots more, and then we'll be ready to start with our base coat of paint. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. We'll start with the mouth here. And then what you can do is if you want to, if it's a little clumpy, you want to smooth it out a little more, just dip your finger in some water and run over it with your finger. That'll smooth it out a little better. So this is going to take a while to do this. So we'll get the entire head coated, then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.